Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what do you need to focus on this week to make sales in your business this week? And the Ten of Cups came through. And the message here is about celebrating. What we track, we attract. So I want you to sit down and think about all the sales that you've made in the last few months, no matter how big, how small. I want you to write them all down and really, have gratitude for how far you've come, right? At one stage, your business may have been a baby, right? And now it's growing. It might be that you've been in business for a few years, right? And you can look back and see what success you've had in sales in your business so far. Really celebrate them and then give thanks for the sales that are coming in this week. Give gratitude before it's come in, right? And help that energy to grow and then attract more sales in this week. I also asked for clarification around this card as well. And the Six of Cups came through upside down. And this is all about being stuck in the past. So what's going on here is you are having less sales in your business because you're stuck in the past of not having as many sales as you want. So it's about starting again, starting fresh, right? Letting go of the past, thinking, yep, the past is in the past, but now what do I want to create? Put your focus on what you do want to create. So get clear, how many sales do you want to make in your business this week? How much money do you want to make? Get real clarity around that. And then start to focus there instead of on the past and what hasn't worked. Start to focus on what has worked and, really get clear on what you want to create. All right. So that's the message to create sales in your business this week. And if you've